An all-new, 7th generation Corvette emerged in 2013 as a 2014 model, once again wearing the Stingray name. Only a Corvette with the perfect balance of technology, design and performance can wear the iconic Stingray designation. Like the '63 Stingray, the best Corvettes embodied performance leadership, delivering cutting-edge technologies, breathtaking design and awe-inspiring driving experiences. The all-new 2014 Corvette Stingray continues that tradition by leveraging modern advancements in design, technology and engineering. The 2014 Corvette Stingray is the most powerful standard model ever, with 454 bhp 63.6 kgfm and 459 bhp 64.3 kgfm with the optional performance exhaust. It is also the most capable standard model ever. Equipped with the available Z51 performance package, the new Stingray is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds, braking from 60 miles per hour to 0 in 107 feet and sustaining 1.03 G in cornering. Cumulatively, the acceleration, cornering and braking capability of the Corvette Stingray enabled it to lap the Virginia International Raceway's VIP 4.2-mile Grand Course in 2 hours, 51 minutes, and 78 seconds. The all-new Corvette Stingray shares only 2 parts with the previous generation. It incorporates an all-new aluminum frame structure and chassis, a new powertrain and supporting technologies, as well as completely new exterior and interior designs. The Stingray was designed as an open car from the outset, so both coupe and convertible share the same structure, powertrain and performance technologies.